What's up, guys? Master Beetle here with Ninja Master Norton, and giving you another match video that was requested. My pure Binodal Deletor deck versus his Great Nature deck.
Hi, I still play this deck.
It's not bad, so.
Nope.
Alright.
I was about to redraw the only grade 2 in my hand.
I'll redraw the 3 triggers.
We're gonna be ballsy. I regret everything. All of everything.
You know what's funny? Because I haven't used this deck in a while, the sleeves are still new.
Because I haven't used
And the Messiah ones, I got those last, and those are already curling.
You know what's funny? I got this deck a while ago, and I haven't used it in a good bit, and now they're mad at me.
What do you mean? Is your hand that bad? I don't have a really good hand either.
I don't have a grade 1.
You don't have a grade 1?
No.
Let's see what happens.
Alright. I also may or may not be grade 3 flooded. With 9 grade 3s.
It happens, dude. Trust.
Alright.
Hyrule. 11.
Can I beat an 11? Ah! Stand up, Binodal.
Breaking Deletor. Bitchy. Oh boy. You only have 3. That's not much of a grade 3 flood.
Well, I have lots of pickings to choose from. 1 PG, grade 1 PG.
Oh yeah, you took out the draws.
Yes. You're not happening this game.
You never know. Decides to keep the other one. Interesting. Just wait till Vanguard EX comes out. Skill, Psyqualia. Yeah.
Critical trigger!
It's like he knew that was on top. His strength is unmatched. Draw. Hooyah!
No guard.
Hooyah! Go ahead, my friend.
Kuya! Toria!
9.
Yep.
Right, Binodal Dragon. Hooyah! How lucky do you think we can be? I only have 2 grade 2s, so that's fine. I just wanted to call them. I'm glad it wasn't double grade 3 like last time. Fragile numbers. Fragile
Power
numbers.
to Vanguard!
Vanguard.
No guard.
Go ahead, my dude.
Dino! School Hunter! Leopoldo. XL1.
Oof.
Plus 15 in a crit.
He chooses Excel 1. Plus 15 in a crit? I'm okay with that.
Vanguard.
27.
27 to crit.
27 to crit. Yeah, guard. First. Second. Power to Binodal.
I cry every time.
To rear guard Binodal.
After attack a Vanguard when he's a skill. Do I want to give you 2 damage?
That's an interesting question.
Attack Asteroid Wolf.
Asteroid Wolf has been retired.
Go. I don't need to be forced off of the grade 3 I'm on right now.
I want to do that. No, I don't need to.
Mm-hmm.
20 to them. First, all effects here.
Mm-hmm.
Second. $18. $35. 2 crit.
I knew that was gonna happen. Psyqualia. Frick.
Go ahead, man. He's on the assault.
To Binodal.
Yeah, sure.
To Vanguard.
How much is that?
17.
17? Yeah, we'll just keep that.
27.
28.
Pass. After I end of phase.
Oh, yeah. Delete.
No guard.
Oh yeah, it's got 4K because I have more rear than you. Bind that face down. You got it?
Yep.
Cool. This isn't gonna happen this game.
It happened. Surprisingly.
Oh, you only get one more.
Yes.
This isn't gonna happen this game.
Hey, ma'am. You know, sometimes the unexpected happens.
I'm just joshing you. Sure, I have an assault.
Front trigger.
Sure.
Attack. Skill. Adding plus 5,000 power to him and the Hemsky and J-Graph. Retiring the unit behind your Vanguard.
Yeah, sure.
So this is 24. No, 34, because of the front trigger.
Yeah, sure. Power in the Vanguard, draw.
18, no, 17, 27.
And it gets another +5, right?
And it gets another +3.
+3?
Yeah.
30?
30 and then +4. So.
And this gets +4 regardless?
Because I have Hamskay.
Got you. So +7.
So it's, yeah, so it's 34 to Vanguard.
What are these numbers?
This is, so this got +5 and plus this is 27, 32, 42. And this is 19, 22, 32, 37.
Okay. Okay.
37.
Okay.
Pass. I can't risk you deleting my Vanguard again without having to ride. Happened anyway. Couldn't be prevented.
Line this face down. Delete the Vanguard.
No guard.
Can't guard it.
I can get to 30 with the 2 cards in my hand, but then I still can't guard the other 2.
That's game 1, Deletors versus Great Nature. On to game 2.